You wake up every day, scroll through your phone, see people doing better than you, and whisper to yourself, why not me? You feel stuck. You want to grow, but something invisible keeps pulling you back. It's not your job. It's not your family. It's your mind. You were never taught how to control it. School taught you to remember answers, not to ask better questions. They trained your hands to work, but never your thoughts to lead. The truth is simple. Your life will never grow until your mind does. You can change your job, change your city, even change your friends. But until you change the way you think, you'll always return to the same place. Every decision, every emotion, every result comes from the stories inside your head. If those stories are small, your life will be too. So start feeding your mind the right knowledge. Learn what schools never taught you. Train your thoughts like a muscle, because the world doesn't need more noise. It needs people who think 0 to 1, where your growth begins, from the inside. Train your mind. Transform your life. Subscribe for more.